large Navajo rugs like this are actually quite rare because these would have had to have been done as a commission, right? No weaver at the 1920s, like this blanket or rug is going to go, oh, I'll just do this 7 by 10 foot rug and hope somebody buys it. No, it's going to have to be a commission. You'd work with the trader. They'd have a very specific size. And remember, if you do a rug like this, you need a 7 to 8 foot loom. And sometimes these could even be as big as 12 feet, 12 by 20, if you can imagine that. And they could take up to 2 years to weave. In fact, some of the world's fairs would have these huge Navajo rugs that were in the very front of the fair, and they would have thousands upon thousands. In fact, up to 1 million people would go on a Navajo rug over a period of time. It was fine. Afterwards, they clean it off, it was ready to go. So they're very sturdy. They're made, these types, these vintage ones are made out of home-spun or hand-spun yarn, and they are very, very hardy rugs. So they're also expensive. You can imagine if it took a year to make something like this and it's hand spun, that these are always going to be fairly expensive. If they get over 7 by 10, that's when these Navajo rugs really get hard to find, and they're costly too.